guys. Okay, so today is Tuesday and I initially have class today, but I am not going, and I'm just gonna do some reading in my book and then just look at lecture notes that are posted online. So this morning I'm gonna go to the gym. I think I'm gonna do some like Stairmaster and then maybe do some type of weights or handstands or something. I don't know, just kind of listen to my body. I do have to go grocery shopping today, and I'm debating on buying a camera as well. I think I'm gonna go look just to see what is available. It's just gonna be a typical day in my life. I don't have work on Sunday, Monday, Tuesdays, just because that's just what works for my schedule and with my classes. Yesterday I got a lot of homework done. I only have to do my statistics, which I have an exam tomorrow, so today I'm gonna take some notes, and then one of my literature classes I have homework in as well. But those are the only two, and I finished 3 out of the 5 yesterday. So we're off to a good start this week. I definitely want to get some studying done. And then I want to do some of studying for the class that I had today initially, so because I'm kind of slacking on that one, which would have been smart to actually go to it. But one challenge that I want to do is a 21-day challenge, and I would like to try to do the keto diet. I want to see what I'm capable of doing. It's been a while since I was able to challenge myself, and I want to see how my body reacts to the type of diet, on a high-fat diet especially. And I normally thrive off of fats, so it'll be interesting to see when I cut carbs out of it. I want to see if I can get more toned. Lately I've been kind of struggling now with that. I've always kind of struggled with getting toned up. So with not having carbs, your body doesn't hold as much water, so you tend to lose a lot of initial water weight, but then after that my body will be burning the fat that is stored as energy. It'll be interesting. I'm kind of excited just to change it up a little bit, and it's not for a long time either, so I definitely want to document it for you guys and see if I can do it. But for right now, it's off to the gym. Okay, so I just got done working out, and I came back to my car and I got a parking ticket. It is gross outside today. Yesterday was nasty. We had several power outages. It was just wind, gushing, rain, slush. It was gross. And so actually several of the universities around here got canceled. And I was supposed to have an exam last night, and we got to choose between Monday night or Wednesday. And I originally had it planned for Monday night, but I emailed my professor again, and I'm like, I don't really want to go outside. So I moved it to tomorrow. So I just got back, and it is like 3 o'clock, and that took a lot longer than I wanted to. To start off, I got some of these Primo Kitchen Collagen Fuels. I got a chocolate coconut and then a vanilla coconut one. There you go. I got 2 dozens of eggs, some spinach, some mushrooms, along with a pint of blackberries and raspberries. Normally I don't buy raspberries because I always grew up with just picking them in the patch, and then if we needed them, I could have them in the freezer. So I'm not spending this much on a pint of raspberries, but I kind of figured I would almost crave that. And then blackberries were on sale, so I thought might as well. And then I got 2 lunch meats. They're by the brand Never Any, and I got black forest ham, and then I also got oven roasted turkey breast. I kind of got a lot more protein than I needed and less fat than what I needed, but I was struggling, you guys. Next up, I was running low on tuna, so I got tuna. And then I got black olives, because I heard these are a really nice vegetable to have, and they're also low in carbs and moderate on fat. It's almost a 1-to-1 ratio. For vegetables, I got zucchini, 2 bundles of asparagus. And I was doing some research, and asparagus is probably one of the best vegetables you can have, and like moderately cheap on keto. Next up, I got packets of wild Alaskan pink salmon. And then I also got a bag full of halved pecans. 2 of these Primo Kitchen protein bars, and these are keto friendly. And moving on to the last bag, I got this guacamole from Aldi's, and I thought it'd be really nice just to add on top of eggs or something in the morning. Your girl also did not forget her blueberries and strawberries. I also got wild caught pink salmon, chicken breakfast sausage. I just thought if I get sick of bacon, I can have this. Stocked up on some avocado oil. 4 avocados, because your girl is going to be going through a lot of avocados. So yeah, this is kind of like my haul for groceries. So if you guys have any recommendations of something else I can grab, let me know. Hey guys, so now I finally got lunch in, and it is almost 5 o'clock. I'm gonna start on some statistics homework because I have an exam tomorrow, and I'm glad I got a workout in this morning because I wouldn't have gotten it in tonight. So, woo woo. Yeah. Honestly, I love working out in the mornings. I just feel good. After I work out, I feel more energized. I feel like I accomplished something, so I could take something off my checklist. I feel like I'm ready to start the day. If you guys are people that work out late at night, try doing it in the morning and see how you feel. It makes a world of a difference. I'm definitely a morning person, but lately I've just been so exhausted or thrown off. I don't know, I feel like I'm kind of in a rut, but not completely. I'm just trying to find my groove. With working out in the mornings, I feel more like myself, that's for sure. One thing I do want to get done is I want to try a self-tanner. I found this really nice one that's Australian made, and it is called Bondi Sand. I've had really good reviews about it, so I want to try that. Also, a little haul. I got this really cute, guys, there is no such thing as fall in my book. There is summer, and then there's Christmas. And then as soon as Christmas is done, I'm back to summer.
That's it, I'm not going.
Now that summer is officially over, saying that it's halfway through October, I decided to get some Christmas PJs. So, I went to Target and I got these guys. Oh my god, they're so cute. They're just black and white plaid. I love them. And then I also got these guys. Oh my god! Even wearing them with a sweatshirt around would just be cute.
Missing someone.
Hey guys, it's probably been like an hour and a half and I finished my literature homework, and so I have 4 of my classes done. Well, JK, I need to respond in 2 of my discussions. I need to have 2 responses. So I have 4 more posts, and then I have to do my statistics midterm exam, and then I'm done for the week for homework, which is really nice because tomorrow's Wednesday, and the fact that I don't have to worry about it for the rest of the week and after tomorrow is really nice. I started watching Beauty and the Briefcase, and why not? Because I'm obsessed with Hilary Duff. I'm feeling a little hungry again, so I'm gonna probably look up a good ketogenic meal tonight and see how that goes out, but we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated. But I'll just currently watch Beauty and the Briefcase, and I'll probably just lay here for a little bit and sip on some water. Yeah. So, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Missing someone. Hey guys. So, I just got done with dinner and I finished watching Beauty and a Briefcase. Then I also had a hot chocolate. Currently, I'm kind of feeling full but not bloated, and so that's a new thing for me. I'm definitely feeling like brain dead, and I don't know if it's just because I didn't have any carbs, because I feel like I didn't do anything that was really detrimental to like make me mentally exhausted or anything like that. So I'm thinking that just the lack of carbs today has my brain just kind of like in a daze, even though it's only been 1 day. And I think also part of it too is because I didn't eat for a long period of time between breakfast and lunch. And I didn't really have water in that period either. So I think that plays a huge part. But I wanted to get into a better night routine. Lately I've been going to bed like at 12:30, 1 o'clock, and it's just not been cutting it for me. If I'm in bed by like 9:30, quarter to 10, and it gives me a good 15 minutes or something just to unwind, that is perfect. And honestly, I feel way better in the morning when I go to sleep this late. Since I'm a morning person, I definitely feel a lot energized. I used to be able to thrive off of 5 hours of sleep, especially in high school when I was in swimming. Like, that was just boom, 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 boom. I would wake up, I would go to school, I'd go to practice, I'd do my homework till 2, wake up, go to school. It was just a continuous cycle, and I was like thriving. And I think maybe it's just because I was in such a strict routine that I didn't have anything that was throwing me off. But with waitressing in school, that my schedule really varies. And now, especially since one of my classes is only like mid-semester to the end of the semester, I definitely have to balance out my schedule a little bit more. To finish off my night, I'm going to read Things You Save in a Fire by Catherine Center. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to read some of this book and then head off to bed. See you guys later. Bye.